வெல்கம் டு பேரண்டிங் இங்கிலீஷ். இந்த வீடியோவில் 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்டோட இங்கிலீஷ் அசைன்மெண்ட் ஆன்சர்ஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். யூனிட் 2 பார்ட் ஏ 1 மார்க் கொஸ்டின். வேர் வாஸ் த ஆத்தர் வென் ஹி ஹியர்ட் த நாய்ஸ்? ஆன்சர் பாத்ரூம். சாய்ஸில் இல்லை, நீங்கள் மென்ஷன் பண்ணிக்கங்க பாத்ரூம்னு. ஹூ வேர் த நேரேட்டர்ஸ் நெய்பர்? மிஸ்டர் போர்ட்வெல் அண்ட் ஹிஸ் ஒய்ஃப். ஹூ யூஸ்டு த சிதர்? ஆன்சர் கினி பிக். 4. What did the narrator think the unusual sound was? Ghost. The cops broke the dash door, front door. Thus they managed to enter the locked house. Choose the appropriate meaning for the underlined word. Underline பண்ண வேர்டுக்கு கரெக்டான மீனிங்கை சூஸ் பண்ணணும். The slamming of the door aroused the mother, shutting noisily. She peered out of her room, appeared. Nothing, he said gruffly. Harshly. Choose the appropriate antonyms for the underlined word. Success, the night had been distinctly a defeat for them. Answer, success. They obviously did not like the layout. Doubtfully. We thought at first he had forgotten all about what had happened. Remembered. Write the plural form of buffalo. Buffalo. Answer. Give the plural form of lady. Answer, ladies. Choose the appropriate article of the following sentence from the option given. A and the. There is dash attic and. It is a old building. The sun rises in the east. Fill in the blanks by choosing the most appropriate proportional phrase. Everything fall into the ground because of earth gravitational pull. As a result of his hard work, he achieved the target. Children are given toy in addition to sweets on Children's Day. Read the following line and answer the question given below. There is a family nobody likes to meet. They live, it is said, on Complaining Street. In a city of never or satisfied, the river of discontent beside. Pick out the rhyming words from the above line. Rhyming word select பண்ணுங்க. Meet, street, satisfied, beside. Identify the rhyme scheme from the above line. A, B, B. Identify the figure of speech employed in the second line. Metaphor. Pick out the alterated word from the above line. There, too. Fill in the blanks with the right option. Who gifted zigzag to Somu? An African witch doctor. What was the title of Mr. Krishna's painting? Sunset at Marina. Somu wanted Dr. Krishnan to keep Zigzag a bird with his family for a week. Zigzag could sing and talk in 21 languages. 28. It perched on the curtained rod and snored. The imitates wanted to send it back. Krishnan took it to the hospital. They wanted to keep Zigzag. Next, part B பார்க்கலாம். What answer? Who were the narrator's neighbors? Mr. and Mrs. Boardwell were the narrator's neighbors. What was the grandfather wearing? The grandfather wearing a long flannel nightgown over long woolen pant, a nightcap, and a leather jacket around his chest. What woke up the mother? Slamming of the door woke up the mother. The question: who used the zither and how? Roy had won the zither in the pool tournament. It was used by the guinea pig to sleep. Were the policemen willing to leave to the house? No, the policemen were not willing to leave the house. What does the Grumble family live? The family lives on Complaining Street. What does the word growl mean? Growl means bark or snarl. What does the phrase to keep out feet from wander refer to? To keep out feet from wander means to keep off our feet from wandering near the Complaining Street. Question: what was Mr. Krishnan busy with? Mr. Krishnan was busy with her painting. What are the pet did Somu have? Somu had a green and gold fighting beetle and insect eating plant. Part C Write in detail. Describe the funny incident that caused the confusion in the house. The Night the Ghost Got It is a short story written by James Thurber. It is a fictionalized account of a night in his childhood. The author was taking a bath. He heard some footstep. It was around in the morning. He thought that it must be his father and brother Roy. They had gone to India and were expected back at it any time. He wrapped a towel around his waist and walked out into the hallway. He heard footsteps again. He woke his brother Herman to sleep him find out what was going on. They did not see anyone and did not hear anything anymore. So they went back to their room and closed the door. Their mother was awakened by the slamming of the door and wanted to know what was going on. She believed there was burglar in the house. Somehow, with the help of the neighbor, she informed the police. The police arrived with a few reporters and things just went wild. The grandfather ended up shooting one of the policemen in the arm, thinking that he was a deserter. They found no evidence and left. Second, write a paragraph on the Grumble family and their attitude towards other folk. L.M. Montgomery was a Canadian author best known for the series of novels beginning in 1908 with Annie Green Gables. Prolific writer. She published over 100 stories between 1897 and 1907. The Grumble family was written by the Lucy Montgomery. The poet gives a vivid picture of neighborhood scenes. She said that there is a family which nobody want to meet. They live on Complaining Street in a city called Never Are Satisfied. The river of discontent runs beside it. They always complain about everything. They will never be satisfied and they are always discontented. They find fault with everything. They grumble at everything, whether they live a high or low life. The weather is always too hot or cold for them. They scold summer and winter in the same way. Nothing will go well with these people. If they are pleased with something, they will growl, saying they have nothing to grumble about. The funniest thing is that no member of the family will be ready to acknowledge the family. If someone stay with them for long, he will also get their way of life. He will also start grumbling about everything. Next, third question. Narrate the story Zigzag in the your own word. The short story Zigzag was written by Asha Negmia. It is about a pet which made commotion at home. Dr. Ashok T. Krishna was a child specialist. One day his friend Somu asked him to keep his pet Zigzag for some days. Zigzag was brought in by Vishu, an old cook. It was strange bird with different colored feather. He also returned and the bird could talk well. Aravind started a conversation with the bird, but the bird did not say the single word. When some nut and fruit were brought for it, the bird picked some of them and kept them on the chandelier and fan. Then it perched on curtain rod and slept and snored. The snoring was so loud that it affected everyone. When Lakshmi, the housemaid, put on the fan, all the nuts and peas fell down. Some of them fell on the masterpiece of Mrs. Krishna, Sunset at Marina. The painting had orange pulp and shining black seed all over it. She could not tolerate it any more. Dr. Krishnan had to come home. He could not convince his wife, so he took the bird to the clinic. He kept it in his car, but Zigzag found its way to clinic and started controlling the patient. Dr. Krishnan was surprised. The bird also looked happy. It was trained to do this job by the witch doctor and Dr. Somu. His clinic was in perfect order. By the time Mrs. Krishnan phoned to inform Dr. Krishnan that her Sunset and Marina was bought by the art critic for rupees 5,000. The critic liked the touch of the orange color. She was laughing happily. They decided to keep the zigzag with them. Next question. Write the speech for your school library association celebration with the given lead. Opening, purpose, audience, language, ending. A very warm welcome to everyone for celebrating of School Literary Association. The purpose of the Literary Association is build the knowledge and the language skill of the students in our school. The association meeting will be held at first and fourth Saturday of every month. In this, we will help students to develop their language speaking skill and abilities. Interested talent students are encouraged to register themselves in the association and they will be recognized by the HOD. Thank you for listening to my words. Thank you. 10th standard English assignment complete பண்ணிட்டோம். Thank you.